Are you sick of the mindless 9 to 5 grind and fantasizing about a life where you can break free and control your own destiny? Prepare to unlock the secrets of a digital gold mine and enter the exciting world of ghost commerce through affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to reveal the game-changing strategies and insider information that'll enable you to build a thriving online empire and achieve financial freedom. Consider this, a life where you can work anywhere in the world, where you can set your own hours, and where your income is not restricted by a fixed salary. That is the tremendous opportunity that awaits you in the world of affiliate marketing. That being said, before we get into the weeds of affiliate marketing for beginners, allow me to share a little secret with you. If you want to learn the simplest way to start earning daily affiliate commissions with the Ghost Commerce model, click the link below. It's a tried and true system that'll accelerate your success by providing step-by-step guidance and a private community for support. But without further ado, let's get started on today's specific strategy. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to clickbank.com so we can go ahead and find ourselves an affiliate offer to promote. So if this is your first time, you're going to want to click this blue button that says start here and create your account. Once you're logged in, we're going to come over to the marketplace. And to find that, all you need to go to the top bar that says marketplace, and it'll bring you to this page. So for this example, I came down into the health and fitness, and more specifically the diet and weight loss category, and I'm going to select this first product right here, which is the smoothie diet. This is what we're going to promote in this example. So once we have decided on that, we're going to take a look at the affiliate page right here, just so we can see what this product offers to affiliates. So it says you can get 75% commission and earn over $100 per sale. So you want to go ahead and read this stuff over. It doesn't matter what product it is that you choose to promote. Always take a look at the affiliate page so you can see what it is you're promoting, what it's all about, and how much you're going to get paid. And so now that we've done that, we're going to come back over here over to the promote button. We're going to select this button, and we're going to get something that's called a hop link. And what a hop link is in ClickBank is just your affiliate link. So we select create hop link, and this is what our affiliate link is for this specific product right here. And so this is the product that we are going to promote, but we don't want to use this link. We actually want to shorten it because this link by itself is ugly. So all you're going to do is you're just going to copy and paste it, or at least copy it for right now. So we'll hit copy and we'll come out of that. All right, the next thing we want to do is we want to shorten that URL like I just said, because it's too long and it's ugly. So we want to make it attractive. So we're going to use bit.ly or bit.ly, which is a URL shortener, to shorten that affiliate link. Which is once you have logged in or created your account, you'll be inside of this dashboard, and all you need to do is create new and then select link. You can go ahead and paste that link right inside of here, and then use a title, and then we could paste that right there. And so we have a title for this link, and we'll go ahead and create that. And this is the link right here. So this is what we will use to give people, or to post online to get people to this product right here. The next thing we want to do is go to Linktree. Once you've actually logged into your Linktree or you've created your account, you'll come onto this page right here. And so what we want to do is we want to add a link. I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on add link, and we're going to paste that right there. And now that we have added this link, you can see this is what it'll look like on a mobile preview. And so the purpose of using Linktree is so that we can promote multiple affiliate offers if we want to. So we don't just have to promote this one offer. We can find multiple related offers on ClickBank and do the same process and add them here, so that we have different products that we are promoting that we can earn commissions on. All right, so in the next step, now we're going to go ahead and search up a Pinterest business account, because we're going to promote this affiliate product on Pinterest. But once you have that account created, this is what your page will look like. This is my actual business page, but it'll look similar to this. And we're going to come back to this, but you want to have this in place. So in order to promote this affiliate product on smoothies, we're going to go over and get a video on TikTok that's related to smoothies. And what we want to do is we want to actually download this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here and hit copy link. And then we're going to come to a website called SSS Tick. this is a TikTok downloader. So we're going to download this video without a watermark. And then we're going to select without watermark. Once that's downloaded, we're going to go to another website called Pexels. And we're going to search for a video, not a video, but a photo that is related to smoothies as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download this photo right here. And all you have to do is click that. We're going to take this photo. Now we're going to come over here to Canva. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a cover image for our Pinterest for our affiliate offer. And so what you want to do is you want to come in here and you want to type in Pinterest pin and select either a template or at least the dimensions. All right, so now that we're in here, what we want to do is upload the image inside of here. Now that we have the image inside of here, we want to go ahead and design a cover image for it. All right, so here is a cover image that I have designed, and all you need to do is download this cover image right here. Now we're going to come back over to Pinterest and we're going to create a pin for this. All right, so for this example, what we're going to do is we're going to upload the video that we got from TikTok into here. And what we want to do is we want to add a title to this. And now that we have a title for that, we want to go ahead and add a little bit more information. So we want to have a description. So now that I have my description, we want to scroll down and we want to add a cover image, and we will use the cover image that we designed inside of Canva. All right, now that we've added our cover image, next we need to add a destination link, which is going to be our affiliate link. So we're going to paste our affiliate link there and then select publish. There you have it. That's just one of the many incredibly simple methods you can start using to get traffic and clicks to an affiliate link and start getting sales and commissions. I hope you enjoyed this powerful strategy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. And if you want to discover my easiest way to start making daily affiliate commissions utilizing the Ghost Commerce model, then click the link below and check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.